In this video you will get how to download Onstream on Android TV 2026. Follow the steps below. Step 1. Turn on your Android TV. Power on your Android TV and make sure it is connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Install the Downloader app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android TV. Search for Downloader and install it. Step 3. Enable unknown sources. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions. Install unknown apps. Allow Downloader to install apps. Step 4. Open the Downloader app. Launch the Downloader app from your Apps section. Step 5. Enter the Onstream APK. Type the Onstream APK download address in the URL box and press Go. Step 6. Download the APK. Wait for the Onstream APK file to finish downloading. Step 7. Install the app. Once the download is complete, select Install and wait for the installation to finish. Step 8. Open Onstream. After installation, go to your apps and launch Onstream. Step 9. Start streaming. Browse movies and shows and start watching on your Android TV. That's it. You have successfully installed Onstream on Android TV.